Hi, I know there are already individual reviews of these flashlights, but just briefly, here are the differences between the NITECORE SRT3 and the SRT5 CREE XM-L2 flashlights. I'm sorry, XM-L2 LED flashlights. The SRT3 does have the 550 lumens, and the SRT5 has the 750. They are, of course, different sizes. Here is the SRT3, and here is the SRT5. The battery configurations are perhaps the biggest difference, as well as the lumens, but I mean, you will see some difference, obviously, between the lumens. Outside, in long distance range, you'll notice slight differences. Inside, you may not notice that much difference in average use. They both have all the same lighting functions. They have the strobe, they have the SOS, they have the beacon, and they also have the red and the blue stationary and flashing sequences as well. But in the batteries, the SRT3 will take just one of these, either CR123 or RCR rechargeable 123, and it'll also take the NIMH AA or alkaline AA with the added extender that comes with the light. So all you do is take the head off, put the extender on, and you've got a light slightly longer enough to be able to accept an alkaline battery, or the, NIMH rechargeable. So that's with the SRT3. I should also mention that although it does say 550 lumens on the box, the only way you're going to get 550 lumens is if you use a rechargeable 16340 battery. That's the only way you'll get 550 lumens out of this light. It says right in the instruction manual that if you use anything else, it will not be quite as bright. With a CR123, which is the disposable version, you will get 330 lumens. And if you use a AA or an NIMH rechargeable, you'll get about 180 lumens. So just be aware of that. It doesn't tell you that on the package, it just says 550 lumens. And the SRT5 will take a 16340, one of the larger variety batteries that look like this, and it will take two CR123s, or the rechargeable variety, and it will also take the slightly thicker these IMRs. These are 18350. In some lights, these batteries will give a little more brightness, but I don't believe in the SRT5 they actually make it brighter. I've done a couple of tests on them, and it really doesn't look any different than if you're using the 18650 or the 16340, but they will take these batteries nonetheless. And that's pretty much the change, that's pretty much the differences between the two lights. They are very similar, but, they have obviously quite a few, they are related, so they have similarities, but they're also different in the battery configurations, and that's pretty much the biggest. Aside from the size of them, that would be the biggest difference between the two. Lightsandgear.com is where you can go to get links to purchase these lights and a whole lot more. It's right below. So click on that, and you'll learn a lot about flashlights, batteries, chargers, and stuff that you may not have realized that was important to know, and you'll see a lot of things to pick up as well. Thank you.